G'day guys, Justin from Battleforged Gaming and welcome to another BFG quick tip. Today we're going to be painting the claws and the weapons of Hive Fleet Leviathan. We will start by painting the claws and hooves with Abaddon Black. This will take 2 coats to get a nice rich black. With the 2 layers of Abaddon Black dried, the first step is to highlight the claws and hooves with Dark Reaper. Because we're going to be adding 2 highlights, this first highlight wants to be nice and thick. Don't worry if you make any mistakes, you can go back with Abaddon Black and tidy up. Once the Dark Reaper has dried, we'll move on to the second highlight, which is going to be Fenrisian Grey. This is going to be a thinner highlight, and we want to leave some of the previous Dark Reaper highlight showing. Again, if you make any mistakes, you can just go back to your previous color and do a tidy up step. Take your time and be as precise as possible. With the claws and hooves finished, we will now move on to the weapons. To do this, we are going to thin down Bugman's Glow with some Lahmian medium. This will be 1 part Bugman's Glow to 4 parts Lahmian medium, and we are simply going to apply this all over the gun. You want to even include the little cables. So once this dries, we'll move on to the next step. With the Bugman's Glow dry, we are now going to apply an all-over wash of Khorne Red and Lahmian medium. Again, this will be 1 part Khorne Red to 4 parts Lahmian medium. Copy the previous step and apply it to the whole weapon, allowing it to fully dry before moving on to the next step. The final step for the gun is to edge highlight it with Flayed One Flesh. This is quite difficult to tidy up, so be as precise as possible and just highlight all the raised parts of the gun. Once you complete this step, you will have finished the weapons for Hive Fleet Leviathan. With the Flayed One Flesh highlight finished, you have completed the weapons for Hive Fleet Leviathan. Stay tuned for our next video in the Hive Fleet Leviathan series, where we complete the rest of the details.